All right, welcome back to Uncle Pen's Garage. I got a P0496 code in my gauge cluster, and everything points to it being the purge valve right here on the 2011 Genesis sedan, the 4.6 liter TAL motor. Mine is sitting right on top here. Saw the cover on, and now I just have to remove the two hose clamps. I have to take the clip off, and then I have to make sure I put I orient the replacement part the correct way. And it shouldn't take that long. Hopefully that'll clear my code. The problem I was having was my car would not start right after filling up with gas, or even putting some gas in. It's like the vapors were causing it to stall or something. So it happened to me twice. Then my check engine light came on, and so that's why I'm changing this. I'll be right back. So, as you can see, I have to use this rubber housing. It slides off here once you take off the hoses and the wire. The wire is a 2-pin wire, so I'm going to orient it like that. Shouldn't take that long. Be right back. On the old part and the new part, there is a tab that mounts into a groove right there on that housing, that rubber housing. So take it apart. It's the reverse. Just put it back on. So I don't know what the right lube is to put on there, but I'm just going to wet it. And you can imagine, but I'm not going to put grease on there, and I'm not going to put Vaseline or all that other gibberish. Although I suppose I could, since that's petroleum jelly. Make sure you check your service manual. Don't do it my way. This is just what I did. Literally, it's a matter of putting it back in, putting the hose attachments back on, and then I don't have to show you how to put the clamps back way up there to make it tight. Make sure it snaps. It only fits one way. When you're taking it off, you have to press the bottom, and it releases the clip. See that? It releases the clip when you press the bottom part. Don't press the top, press the bottom of that, and it releases it. Then pull it off. Don't pull this off unless you got to fix it, replace it. That's how you replace the purge valve on the evaporative system. And that should take care of my code. Thanks for checking out the video. And if it helped you at all, I'd appreciate a like, a subscribe. Look at some of my other videos. I do what I can. Appreciate it. Uncle Pen's Garage out.